Forgot iPhone passcode. iPhone was locked. The screen shows support, apple.com/iphone/passcode. What does this mean? Let's check this website and see how Apple says about it. When we enter this on Google, it leads us to a guide on how to reset iPhone when forgot passcode. Let's try it. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom. It will ask you to sign out of your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID password, and your iPhone will be erased. If your network connection is poor or you have difficulty to sign out of Apple ID, you can try PassFab iPhone Unlocker to bypass support. apple.com/iphone/passcode. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Click Start. Read the disclaimer and click Next. You need to put iPhone into recovery mode now. Press volume up and volume down buttons and hold power button until iPhone is in recovery mode. Download the firmware. Click Start Remove. Wait for a while. You can unlock your iPhone without passcode. Or you can reset your iPhone with iTunes. Connect iPhone to a computer. Open iTunes. Put iPhone into recovery mode. iTunes will recognize it. Now, update and restore iPhone.